I pray every day for Jamaica, and I will one day behold Jamaica rising up again. Inflation will go. The miry clay will go. The dark clouds will go. Jamaica will grow. Jamaica will be happy. Jamaica will shine. She will be blessed by her fruits. Jamaica shall wise up. Jamaica will get up and rule her nation with integrity and loyalty. Jamaica will spread her wings. She will soar high and proud. Jamaicans will be blessed. Jamaicans shall inherit her riches and rule her space, for this is a dream for many, and a dream shall become reality. Jamaicans trust and believe in this dream.